A baked chicken fillet is a great idea for a simple, quick dinner. The exact amount of ingredients can be found in the description below the video, and all new viewers are of course invited to subscribe to the channel. Prepare 4 small chicken fillets, then cut them as shown in the video, being careful not to cut them all the way through. Season each slit chicken fillet with salt, pepper, and sweet paprika on both sides. If you have time, you can put the chicken fillet in the fridge. If not, you can immediately bake it. In a bowl, mix leek, yellow cheese, chopped parsley, red and yellow pepper. If you do not have 2 colors, 1 can be enough. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, salt and pepper to taste, and stir everything together. Arrange the cooked vegetables on the chicken fillet. I baked mine in a fat-free fryer, so I didn't place it in a dish. I put it directly on the fryer rack. I baked it for 15 minutes at 338 Fahrenheit. If you're baking this dish in the oven, it should be about 25 minutes at 356 Fahrenheit, but it all depends on the size of the chicken fillet. Enjoy your meal.